Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. For example, if you were creating the Apple ID and after while you're creating the Apple ID you see this kind of error on your iPhone iOS 26. So how you can fix that? Well, this is what you have to do. You have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that, you have to simply turn it off again, and you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings, you have to go to general, and after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to go to again that error, and you have to check whether this error has been fixed or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply take the screenshot of the problem and you have to simply contact the Apple support. This kind of error is usually occurs due to the payment issues, because there is written you have to contact the iTunes store for to complete this transaction, because this is the problem of your transaction. So you have to change your payment method while you're creating your account, and you have to provide correct payment method. If the problem is still there, then you can also take the screenshot and contact Apple support, and you have to explain the problem to Apple support, and you have to explain every detail of your problem. And moreover, you can also discuss this problem in Apple discussion forum, and you can ask the Apple community to provide the solution of this problem. And if anyone has solved that kind of error, will guide you in a proper way. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like these you can subscribe our channel.